Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So we are going to discuss about Bitcoin, and if you are looking at Bitcoin current price, although it is trading at a support level or very near to support level, but the overall price action is actually range bound. And if you are somebody who is not a pro and try to catch these small moves, then you are taking unnecessary risk. Let me very clear with my words, okay? Because there are lots of things which are happening in the market, and it's not possible for any individual to adjust themselves based on the immediate price moves, and more specifically if they are not clear what they want to do. And because there are very big moves which we have seen, in this part of the market, so you need to be very much aware and alert right now. If you are looking at the price chart of BTC or Bitcoin, it's been range bound. Now I have also talked about the big trend, but because right now I'm just focusing on the current price action, so obviously the view or the analysis will change based on the time frame. So right now you can clearly see a range bound price action in between 24,838, which is your stop loss, and 25,473, which is your support, and we have our resistance in between 31,018 and 31,478. But understand one thing, it does not matter whether it will move 5% or 10%. If it does not clear 31,500 or more, it means it is still a range bound price action. And if BTC started trading below 24,830 or less, then further downside may open up, and you will see your next big support somewhere in between 19,680 and 20,440. So this is a 50-50 kind of scenario, because if I do look at this entire section as a single range, what we can see is BTC is trading somewhere in the middle of the range, and it all depends upon the sustainability of Bitcoin at or above 24,300. If it does so, then it may swing back towards the previous high of 31,000 and 31,500. But if it falls below 24,830 or less, you will see a down move towards 24,440 and 19,680. So that's why I have said, although it's been trading, or it is now trading very close to near its support, but it is more of a range bound price action, and it all about the sustainability of BTC or Bitcoin at or above its current level. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.